In this video, I will show you how to delete your Glassdoor account. So to do this, just gonna sign into Glassdoor, and from there in the top right, click on your profile, and from there go to account settings. Now from within your account settings, scroll to the bottom, and there you'll find deactivate account. So click on deactivate account. And now here you need to sign in to deactivate your account. And then after doing that, they will ask, do you want to deactivate your account? And deactivating your account will remove your information from their site. This information will be archived in our databases. So this is for an account deactivation, but if you actually want to delete your account, you can see right here, permanently deleting your account. You can permanently delete your account and data through a request to Glassdoor. So for now you can just deactivate it, but I recommend if you actually want to delete it, to click on the request to Glassdoor link right there, which will take you right here. And from here you will have the option to permanently delete all of your Glassdoor data. So you can see delete your personal data. You can request that your personal data be deleted from Glassdoor systems, including Fishbowl. So just go to copy delete your personal data, and then in the form down here where it says I would like to, you can actually already click on it, so delete my personal data, and then just enter your account details and confirm you are not a robot, and then click submit, and then they will fully delete your account data. So now you know how to delete your Glassdoor account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.